During a test, a rocket travels upward. So, meron daw tayo dyan, rocket travels upward. Dito yan, no? And when it is 40 meters from the ground, its engine fails. Determine the maximum height reached by the rocket and its speed just before it hits the ground. While in motion, the rocket is subjected to a constant downward acceleration of gravity due to gravity. So, yun lang din yung 91 meter per second squared. Neglect the air resistance, no? Kaya ni-neglect kasi nga kinematics pa lang tayo. Pero kung kinetics na, no? Hindi, i-consider na natin yung effect ng air resistance. So, una, nandito na, di ba? Pagka nandito daw siya sa 40 meters from the ground, yun yung rocket, no? Its engine fails, no? So, habang nagta-travel yan, syempre, kapag nag-fail yung engine yan, hindi naman babagsak agad yan, no? So, magta-travel pa siya at a certain height. Tapos, kapag na-reach niya na yung maximum height niya, tsaka na siya babagsak, no? Kasi meron pa siyang, kumbaga inertia na tinatawag na yan. Tapos, pagka na-reach niya na yung maximum height niya, asan na yun? Yan, ito yung Hmax natin. Simula sa ground. Yung, tatandaan nyo, kapag sa maximum height, doon yung matatagpuan yung velocity dyan is 0. Okay? And then, babagsak daw siya, no? Huwag naman dito. Ayan. Tapos, andito siya. Ayan. Okay. So, ngayon, ano kaya yung matatravel niya? So, yung velocity niya dito ay, so, lagay natin ito si 0.1, tapos ito si 0.2, tapos ito si 0.3. So, for example, i-consider muna natin si 0.1 and 0.2. Ang velocity sa 1 natin is equal to 75 meter per second. And then, ang velocity sa 2, 0, no? So, para makuha natin yung distance nito, S1. So, ang formula nyong gamitin, since may velocity naman kayo, initial velocity, pwede nyong gamitin yung Vf squared is equal to Vo squared minus 2Gs. No? Kayo mag-iisip kung anong gagamitin yung formula, no? Kung may given ba na time, kung time ba hinahanap, pwede yung isang formula naman. So, yung final velocity 0, initial velocity 75, minus 2 by 9.81 times S. So, ano yung na-solve nating S? Magkano po? 76 squared divided by 2 by 9.81. 286.6972 meters. So, ang Hmax, magkano Hmax? That is equal to 40 plus S. So, ang Hmax, so yung maximum height niya from the ground ay 320. Guys, paalala sa akin pagka magre-record. Next. While in motion, ayan, hinahanap naman yung speed just before it hits the ground. So, yung velocity sa 3. So, dito, this is from 0.1 to 0.2. Pwede naman tayo na from 0.2 to 0.3. Pwede, diba? Pwede rin naman yung from 0.1 to 0.3. No? So, pwede natin try parehas para pagka nagsisolve kayo, pwede yung lahat gamitin nyo. No? So, pwede tayo from point 2 to point 3. Ano yung initial velocity V2? That is equal to 0. And then V3, yun yung hinahanap natin. Yung distance traveled niya is 326.6972. Okay? So, substituting BF, that is the V3 squared, is equal to VI, yun yung V2, minus 2GS. Okay. So, titingnan nyo, di ba, start kayo kay 2. Tama? Papunta kay 3. Ano yung final position? Di ba, nasa ilalim siya ng initial position. Kaya, ang gagamitin natin is negative. So, substitute lang natin. Yung hinahanap natin, B3 squared is equal to B2 squared, 0. Minus 2 by 9.81 multiplied by S. That is 326.6972. So, magkano si B3? That pagka in-square root mo, you will have B plus or minus the square root nung negative pala to. Sorry. So, magiging positive lang yung term na yon. Eight 80 meter per second. So, ang gagamitin nyo, negative, no? Kasi, pababa yan. Or, okay na yan. Or, pwede rin naman, yung sabi ko, pwede kayo mag-start from 1 to 3. So, paano naman yung sa 1 to 3? So, 1 to 3, ang B1 natin is equal to 75. Ang B3 natin, yun yung hinahanap. And then, yung S natin gagamitin is, ano yun? Initial point to final point. Ano yung distance nito? Negative 40. Kasi, pababa siya, no? So, this is negative. Nawawala. This is negative 40. So, formula, ang gagamit natin formula is B3 squared is equal to V1 squared minus 2GS. So, B3 squared is equal to 0 minus 2 by 9.81 multiplied by the S, negative 40. Ay, sorry. May initial may B1 pala tayo. So, this is 75 squared. So, magkano yung V3? Negative. Kasi plus or minus, no? Dapat 80 dapat magkamukha lang, no? So, yun yung sasabi ko. Kahit saan kayo mag-start, no? Basta tandaan nyo yung formula, yung point from point 1, kung alin yung final, and then alin yung initial. Next.